So, hello friends, good evening. Welcome to this live webinar. So, today uh, is Tuesday and it's 5 o'clock. So, we are bringing this live, webinar under our Moment webinar program. And today we are going to have, a new concept of intellectual property rights. So, we are offering, online patent searching course from June 9th and it's still going on. Main aspect is that patent searching is that why one should do this course and why one is interested to perform patent searching. So today the talk is that a career opportunity as a patent searcher. So patent searcher, this is a job profile and there is a career opportunity for them. So what are the opportunities are there for them? So today is a main uh, uh, our discussion. Today's seminar is that. So we will see, what are the opportunities there as a patent searcher and what kind of job they supposed to do and where they can get job for this one. So patent searcher is a job profile and we will move on today's talk. First we will understand why one should work in the IPR field and then job profile of patent searcher. Let's first understand the intellectual property rights definition. So every time we have to refresh our understanding and to learn and to memorize the definition of intellectual property rights. This is a basic starting for any person who wanted to start who is interested to build up their career in the IPR field. So intellectual property refers to creations of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names and images used in commerce. So you know by now, if you have attended our courses and you have seen our different videos, so you know the definition of IPR rights and different IPR rights like patents, copyrights, trademarks, industrial designs, geographical indications, and integrated circuit layout designs in India. So these are the main intellectual property rights are there. Let's see that why one should work in the IPR field. So this slide shows the data of European Union. So European Union GDP data is represented and the first left hand side graph shows that contribution of IPR based in industries in the European Union GDP. So one can see clearly that 45% contribution is coming from IPR intensive industries to the European Union GDP. That means that 45% GDP European Union business, whatever is going on, that is coming out of IPR industries, and that is roughly around 6.6 trillion value. So this is very huge, 45% contribution from IPR industries. So one can see, what is the importance of IPR. Not only the GDP percentage is there, but you can also see the employment contribution. That in European Union employment contribution from IPR intensive industries is around 39% and which is around approximately equal to 84 million jobs generated in 2018, which all these jobs coming from the IPR intensive industries. So these data shows that how is the important and what is the importance of IPR. These are the 2018-19 data are there, and these slides clearly shows the US data. So in this one also you can see that 38% coming from IP intensive industries in the US economy. So 38% is roughly same as the European Union contribution, around 39%, 40%. And you can see that 27.9 million jobs generated in US in 2018-19, which are created by IP intensive industries. So this is a very most important, intellectual property rights and industries which are working, which are very IP savvy and who is holding, IPR rights. So they are making more money and they are also creating jobs. Not only that, that you can see in these slides, 46% wage premiums are there. That means that whoever is working in IP intensive industries, they are getting more pays than as compared to other industries. So 46% premium they are getting means their pay monthly salary are higher than others. And some more data are also representing in the USA that how IP is very most important. So these slides clearly indicates that in European Union and US, both places IP intensive industries are the most important. So if you are thinking about to build your career in IP, that is relevant and very much required at this moment. And now we can see that job profile for patent searcher. So from a couple of days and couple of weeks, you are many of you, you have attended the online patent searching course, and you might be, having some idea about the patent searching. So this shows that why one should work as a patent searcher in the industry. Let's see the role of first, patent analyst or patent searcher. What is their role? So patent searcher or patent analyst is someone who reviews the content of a patent. Means who has to review the content of a patent or patent application, and out of that to produce a clear, concise patent summary. That is the main, you can say that job profile for the patent searcher. This patent summary not only describes the invention, it also incorporates information about any prior art, current and potential use of the for the invention. That means that searcher has to prepare search report and then summarize it, and then they have to look into the various technical aspect also. And where this report is used at the various stage, that during patent filing, patent drafting, patent prosecution and patent litigation. So all these places, this is important. Patent searcher responsibility is there. So we have heard, means we have many of you who has attended the course, they have already know about this, that different type of searches are there. So I am just summarizing these searches. So these searches, different type of searches are there. These are patentability search, freedom to operate search, state of the art search, invalidity search, opposition search. Last week, I have also explained about patent to product and product to patent searches, infringement searches, and after performing all these searches, the searcher has to analyze the results and prepare the meaningful, concise report. So this is the main job of these patent searches. And apart from that, they have to prepare, landscape reports. Like landscape report include uh, different type of PowerPoint presentation preparation, and then they have to prepare some kind of charts, etc., graph, etc. So these are also responsibility of patent searchers responsibility. And now next is who can recruit. So main is that we know about the patent searcher and what they do. Now who can recruit it? So international law firms, different law firms, very well law firms, IP law firms are there, and they are very big one. And the job market in IP based industry is very huge. So international law firms can hire the patent searcher, and intellectual property offices are there. So in every country there are patent offices there, trademark offices there, and a copyright office, etc. are there. So these patent office is there, government job is there. So one can also apply as a patent searcher, or we call it as a examiner in the IP offices. So they can also learn about patent searching, and they can apply for examiner position. So IP offices, there is a possibility of recruitment of patent searcher also. Then WTO, under WTO and UN organization, they are also recruiting. Some non-government organizations and much more. There are many possibilities in different companies and different organizations. And IPR professionals are hired by large number of industries, as well as the MSME sector like IT and telecom industry, technology, pharmaceutical and biotechnology, chemical, energy, oil and gas, manufacturing units, national laboratories, electronics, telecommunication, automobile, heavy engineering industries, etc. So whatever industries are there, in every industry, IP professionals are hired nowadays. So there is a huge opportunity for patent searcher to work in corporates and manufacturing units and different companies also. So these are the not limited, only to one type of or one domain experts. It requires, all domain experts, be it pharmaceutical engineer or pharmaceutical, or any engineer like chemical engineer, mechanical engineer, electronics, IT, all are there. So there is a humongous opportunity for all. So one needs to know about the different opportunities, because what happens that in India or in other countries also, many people they do not know about the IP, and even if they know about IP, they don't know about different means where many opportunities are there in the IP industries. Main opportunity for them is that as a patent searcher. So as I explained, the role of a patent searcher and what work they do. So these are these companies, they can apply for that, and they can get grant, they can get a job, or they can make a career. Apart from that, there is a more growth opportunities also there. If the patent searcher, they can also get the law degree, and they can go to the prosecution or litigation side also. So they can also start, patent litigations and patent prosecutions, and they can also apply it for PG diploma in IPR, and then learn about the different countries' IP laws, because there are many countries, they have different IP, means their IPR laws are very different. So one should know about the different IP laws also, and they can also start their own small IP service provider company. So this is also possibility, if you are very good and you are very professional, then you can start your own company also. And you can later on, you can also become a patent consultant, patent valuator, and patent broker also. So these are the some other opportunities for future also. So if you start learning today about the patent searching, and you can join as a patent searcher, then in future you will have vast scope that you can grow with your career in the IP field and corporate also. As a corporate, if you perform, if you get law degree also, then as a patent litigation, you can get job in any law firm also. So these are the main opportunity, and future market of IP is very good. So just to show you, some data, in India there are 55,000 patent applications applied, filed every year, and 3.5 lakh trademarks filed every year. So the IP market is growing with around 12 to 20% annually, and startup ecosystem is also growing in India. and manufacturing units are also increasing in India. And now, because of this COVID situation, uh, there are many manufacturing units are coming, and also, multinational companies are shifting from uh, other countries to India. So one can get huge opportunity in the IP sector. So future of IP and IP industries is very good. So one can think of making, building their career in the IP field. So again, this slide shows, that currently Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Computer Education and Applied Sciences, along with us, IP Moment, we have introduced online certificate course on pattern searching. So this course is going on from June 9th, and we are very happy, and very good responses we are receiving. And we are three coordinators for this course. So myself, Dr. Paresh, founder of IP Moment, and Dr. Ratna Trivedi, she is head of the Department of Environmental Sciences of SRKI College, and Dr. Jay Bergi, head of the Department of Biotechnology of SRKI. So we, from June 9 till now, we have received, registration of 1010 people, and out of these 1010 people, 450 have already completed the course, and around 100 plus they have completed the level 1 also, and 450 they have received the certificate also. So we are very happy. And if you have registered and if you have not completed the course, so we welcome all of you to take part and to apply for this course and learn about the pattern searching. And as I explained, in the earlier slide, that for patent searcher, there is a huge opportunity in the IP market. So one can think about building a career in the as a patent searcher in the IP market. So thank you, all of you. And if you have any query or any questions, you can just type in a comment section, and I will reply to you there. And we are also planning, to make some more courses related to other, IP aspects and pattern searcher aspect also. So if you want to apply for our upcoming courses, you must complete, these ongoing pattern searching course for the beginners. And this course we are offering without any fees. And this course website, if you go and see, we have put all these video, that whatever the webinars we have completed under this course. And from last 3-4 weeks, we have organized around 6 to 8 live webinars. So all these videos are available, and some PowerPoint presentations are also available, and course material is also there. So at the end, I would like to thank, our partners who are collaborating with us. First is Operant Pharmacy Federation. So this is a federation of pharmaceutical pharma students and pharma researchers are there, and Relicura. So Relicura and IP Moment, we are collaborating with each other. And Relicura is a company, uh, they are offering a patent searching tool also. And Curace is one of the very innovative organization who works in the quantum computing science, and they are also working on the latest technology and research they are performing. ISCRD India, so they are also NGO and kind of setup for uh, interacting students and researchers together. We also work with Scholar Credits, so we thank them, EduMonk, Swan Bharat Parivar, and